Symptoms. It is important to see a doctor. Not all types of goiter cause symptoms. Swelling and coughing may be symptoms. In rare cases, symptoms such as a tightness in the throat or difficulty breathing may occur. There may be no symptoms, but people may experience a lump or swelling in the neck, an underactive thyroid, cough, intolerance to heat, tightness in the throat, rapid heartbeat, weight gain, or shortness of breath. These symptoms may prompt a doctor to check for goiter. 1. Always eating iodized salt in food is very beneficial in goiter. 2. Applying oil extracted from the root and seeds of gunja or karjani and putting it in the nose is beneficial in thyroid gland and lumps in the throat. 3. Mixing 1 to 2 grams of powder of white Aprajita root in ghee and drinking it cures goiter. 4. Applying paste of peepal and thuhar cures medage goiter. 5. Grinding devdaru and indrayun together and applying it cures coughage goiter. 6. Grinding castor root and mixing it in rice water and applying it morning and evening cures goiter. 7. Grind all the medicines of samudraful, drumstick seeds, and dashmol on a stone and apply it lightly hot to cure Veda Gali gland. 8. Grind the root of amalthus finely and mix it in water and apply it on Gali gland to cure both the diseases. 9. Fill water in the ripe fruit of bottle gourd and keep it for a week. After that, drinking it cures the goiter disease. 10. Grind the root of red castor and mix it in rice water and apply it to cure the goiter disease. 11. Grind both the root of sunflower and garlic, make a tablet and tie it on the throat to make the goiter burst and get cleaned by flowing out, but it causes a lot of pain. For similar Ayurvedic information, like the video and subscribe to Dharni Ayurveda.